You are drinking water wrong. Okay, that sounds dramatic, but hear me out. If you are over 60, you're fighting an invisible war against sarcopenia. That's the fancy medical word for your muscles slowly turning to mush. You drink 8 cups of water a day, right? That's 8 opportunities to fight back that you are currently wasting on plain old tap water. Imagine if your car ran on gas, but you could add a 50-cent booster to the tank that made the engine last 20 years longer. That is what we are doing today. I'm giving you 8 specific things, backed by science, not magic, that turn a boring glass of water into a muscle-building weapon. Before we get to the countdown, do me a favor, drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I love seeing how global this community is, and I try to reply to as many as I can. All right, let's fix your water, starting with number 8. Number 8, fenugreek seeds. Don't let the name scare you. These look like little rocks, but they are gold mines. Here's the trick, you have to soak them overnight. Why? Because it releases compounds that help your body handle insulin. If your insulin is out of whack, your muscles can't get the fuel they need. So, soak a teaspoon, drink the water in the morning. It's cheap and it works. Number 7, moringa powder. They call this the miracle tree. I know, everyone calls everything a miracle, but this one earns it. It is packed with amino acids. Think of amino acids as the Lego bricks your body uses to build muscle. As we age, we run out of Legos. Moringa restocks the supply. It's green, it tastes a little earthy, but your biceps will thank you. Number 6, chia seeds. Yes, the stuff from the terracotta pets. But don't laugh. When you put these in water, they turn into a gel. That gel is loaded with omega-3s. Why do you care? Because omega-3s fight inflammation. If your joints are inflamed, you won't move. If you don't move, you lose muscle. It's a chain reaction. Break the chain with chia. Number 5, turmeric and black pepper. You have to use them together. Turmeric fights pain, but without black pepper, your body flushes it out in 20 minutes. The pepper acts like a lock that keeps the medicine in your system. If you are stiff in the mornings, this is your drink. Number 4, aloe vera juice. Not the green goo for sunburns, the drinkable kind. It's fantastic for digestion. You can eat all the protein in the world, but if your gut can't absorb it, it's useless. Aloe acts like a soothing balm for your insides, helping you actually use the nutrients you eat. Number 3, ginger extract. Grandma was right about this one. Ginger isn't just for tummy aches, it increases circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen to your muscles. It's like opening a window in a stuffy room. We are getting to the heavy hitters now. Number 2, spirulina. It's dark green, it smells like the ocean, and it is arguably the most protein-dense food on the planet. For seniors, getting enough protein without eating a giant steak is hard. A spoonful of this in your water gives you a massive plant protein hit that is easy on the kidneys, but tough on weakness. And number 1, beetroot powder. If you only remember one thing from this video, make it this. Beetroot increases nitric oxide. That relaxes your blood vessels. Think of your veins like a garden hose. As we age, the hose gets pinched. Beetroot unkinks the hose. Suddenly, your muscles get a flood of oxygen and nutrients. Studies show it can increase muscle power in seniors by huge percentages just by drinking it before you walk. Here's the reality. You can watch this video and do nothing. Or you can pick one of these. Just one. Go to the store, buy it, and put it in your water tomorrow morning. Which one are you going to try? Tell me in the comments. I'm serious, I want to know. Don't forget to subscribe so we can keep getting stronger together. Cheers to your health.